Okay, today we'll present how can utilize STM32 any platform for joystick application. In our application, we have Neclo H7. Okay, we'll select this board. You can see all the parameters, all the data sheet available in STM32 Cube. Now we start our program with all parameters. Okay, now the first of all should be arrange all the configuration about the analog digital input, and we'll arrange all the 4 outputs. Okay, first of all check all the pins of STM32 ADC. Okay, so we go for analog. Okay, ADC1, we select EN7 and EN8, and EN7 means port PA7 and port PC5. Okay, here in the picture in green color. Okay, after we go for make all the configuration, necessary configuration, we'll arrange the clock divided by 4 and resolution 12. We can go for 16 bits, but in this video we are talking about only for 12 bits. So we have we arrange the ranks. In the ranks you have 2 channels. Okay, we have channel number 7 and channel number 8. Okay, so channel number 7 for PA7 and channel number 8 for PC5. And after we go for enable everything. Okay, the mode independent mode. Okay, this is most important parameters for our application. Okay, so we can see now all the parameters. Double check for all the analog and digital input. Now we can go for GPIO and the systems. Okay, yes, double check. Just I want to check again channel 7 and channel 8. Okay, yeah, this as double check for all the configuration and all the parameters. After we go for GPIO output. Okay, we can select it one by one as output in our application. Okay, there is also pull down. I make all pull down. Okay, and each one we put it LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, LED 4 as names or labeling. Okay, another double check. Okay, everything is okay. Now we go for configuration or the debugging systems, and go check again the clocks. We check the clocks if there any issue. Okay, yes, configuration. Okay, we check all the parameters, resolve clock issue. Okay, now we go for debugging configuration. Again, we make sure SWD enable and SWV also enable. Okay, okay, now we go. Now check the scan part number. Okay, configuration, apply, and okay. Now for print off printf, you go property, C++ setting. After you go setting, CPU setting, and there's enable u underscore printf. Now after that we can go for programming our code according this data. Okay, we make float for voltage x and for float for voltage y, and we go for the while loop, and we added voltage x and voltage y, and can make us like double check. Okay, and we added also for voltage y, okay, x and y. So now we change x by y, and we can check the two output of the systems. It is easily we can check everything, these mathematical equations, printf for x, y, and printf for voltage x and voltage y, and we can check everything already 4095 because we are selected 12 bits. Now check the code is okay. We can go for debugging and check the system working properly. No issue in our code, and we can check one by one. Okay, so make some labeling for output to check everything. Now we can go for debugging, okay, and check our systems and all our output. Go for SWV console. Okay, we can see now Vx and Vout. You can see now Vx and Vout. Okay, so we can see now the output voltage x and y. Okay, so our code all is okay. You can make some little modification and debug it again, and you can see now the output x and y as in the video. Now we change, and all parameters change x and y according the video and according the presentation. So we can understand from this video STM32 very high performance board and microcontroller, and can give us a lot of parameters and easily to use in any applications.